Well, let's get over to meteorologist Dave Aguilera. He's back in Colorado's Weather Center. Hot, hazy, and really no break. I guess Friday is the sort of cool down, I'm told.
Yeah, Friday we take a little dip and then we jump right back in with both feet coming up over the course of the weekend. Take a look right now. We are a little hazy out there. And again, not like last year. I don't know if you remember last year with all that smoke, we couldn't even see the mountains from downtown Denver. You can see the mountains. It's just they're a little filtered with some of that smoke and haze in the atmosphere. 86 degrees downtown right now. And you can see it a little better here at Lookout Mountain where it's kind of milky sky over the front range here with some of that smoke that's hanging in there. Temperatures right now, look at where the heat is right along the front range here. We've got a downslope southwesterly wind coming over the mountains, kicking our temperatures up in the 80s and 70s for the most part already. 70s, 60s, very comfortable in the mountains, and it's in the 80s out there on the western slope as well. But we got another warm day coming your way. Weather watcher Phil Curry in Franktown coming in at 83, and the same thing from Kelly Konwinski in Lakewood, one of our newer weather watchers. Welcome, Kelly. Thank you for your report today. Here's the satellite. Now, we still have this big low just hanging in here over St. Louis. If you remember, most of the week, it's just been kind of lollygagging from Kansas all the way out in that direction. That's holding everything up. So we still have the jet stream going up into Boise, up over that high-pressure ridge into Canada, and underneath it, a good southwesterly push. That's where the heat's coming from, and we might tap into some of those clouds over Las Vegas tomorrow morning as well. So here's the forecast map. That big bubble of high pressure still around here, bringing in the heat this afternoon into tomorrow. Jet stream, which is kind of the driver for any big storms or cold front, slowly, by the time we get into Thursday and Friday, takes a little dip into southern Wyoming, and that may be enough for a little cold front to come through on Friday. So instead of the mid-90s, we go back to the mid-80s. So that's about where we should be this time of year. Normal highs right around 80 degrees at this point when we get June started. So FUTURECAST tonight, few clouds moving into western Colorado, maybe a mountain sprinkle, but it's a long shot to get much water, and we stay clear this afternoon across the eastern plains. So a lot of sunshine today. Tomorrow morning, few clouds across the state, partly cloudy, and then late in the day, there's a very slight chance, less than 10%, we might get a little gusty thunderstorm coming through the front range here. Not counting on much water from that at all. Probably a little wind kicking up. The heat will remain with us, so it's not going to do much to really cool us off. And then behind that, the cold front coming in for Friday. So high temperatures today, 90s and upper 80s across the orange on the map, which includes west and east. And in the mountains, we'll be in the 70s and 80s up there. So a lot of snow melting going on. So 92 downtown, mostly sunny, another hot day, poor air quality. Tonight we'll dip into the low 60s, and then looking ahead, even hotter tomorrow at 96. The record's 99. Both today and tomorrow a little breezy. And the dip on Friday to 84 with that cool front, and then we bounce right back into the low 90s. Might pick up a stray storm late in the day on Sunday to finish out the weekend. So it kind of goes up and a little dip and then goes back right back up. So a lot of 90s to look forward to if you like the heat.
Apparently, that's all we got on tap for a while. Thank you, Dave.
You bet.
Well, cleanup is still underway in Weld County after a destructive tornado tore through the area on Monday. This was not the first twister to hit that corner of our state, and it certainly won't be the last. Rick Salinger tells us why people there are not fazed despite living